Okay, it's fine. I'll upload it as a part 3 video. Okay. So we got so many results. It's still loading now. Okay. So I'll do one thing. One second. Okay. Here we got some NS record now. So we can try DNS zone transfer in this video. Okay. So DNS zone transfer is a P3 or P2 vulnerability which is eligible for bug bounty. So for that we can use two commands. I'll type it here. DNS zone transfer. First command is dig command. Dig AXFR space at the rate. We have to give our IP address. One second. Let me check for IP. Okay, this one. Control Shift C. Our IP address. Space. Our name server address. What's the name server address? Let me copy these things. Okay, Control Shift C. Let me paste it here. Name server. Control C. Okay, this thing. But actually, in most scenarios, it will not work. So for that, we can use a simple one liner which is used for DNS on transfer. Okay, so DNS reckon space hyphen D space, just type the name server space hyphen T space AXFR. Okay, let me copy this and clear this. Oops, clear, paste it here. In your version, if it's not working, you can type this command also. I mean, don't use the name server here. You can directly type the website name, reddit.com. Okay, so just wait. Okay, no records were returned. Okay, let me type this site domain. Okay, domain name, website name. Yeah, it got failed. 53 TCP port being failed, zone transfer failed, zone transfer failed, again failed and failed. If it is got succeeded, you can directly report it. Okay, you will get bounty without any further questions. Okay, let me try another thing. Okay, let me try another site. Zone.me. I'm not sure whether it will work. Let me check. No, in the dig command we have to type each name server separately, but in this command we can use it in a single line. Okay, let me use another domain also. For example, we can use kali.org. It's not working, but in some cases, I mean, a recently updated website or recently created website hai na? So in that case it will work, because they are not 100% completely protected, because they are recently created that website. So those website or newly participating bug bounty newly website, those who participating in bug bounty programs will can do this bug. Okay, For example, if my company Vigilant Byte is participating in bug bounty in HackerOne from this March onwards, so it's new to this HackerOne platform, or it's new to this hacking things, right? So we can find bug on the particular site easily. Not only this DNS zone transfer, but other bug also, because most of the hackers will practice in the famous sites like Facebook, Reddit, Amazon, Starbucks, something like that. And these small sites, they will avoid these small sites. Okay. So as a newbie, as a fresher, we can use this small and newly created website to practice our skill. Okay. I hope you understood those concepts. So one second. Do one thing. Today we learned these things, right? So take a screenshot of this, create a note on this, share it in LinkedIn, and also keep it yourself in a notebook. Okay? So, fine. In the next video, we can start our real bug bounty hunting. Okay, we will learn each vulnerability from tomorrow onwards. Okay? So, thank you. If you have any doubt in these commands, just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, bye.